This is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today we're showcasing 7630 Jacqueline Street in Dublin. Surrounded by gorgeous hills, this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home was thoughtfully designed to maximize the tranquil luxury living in Schaefer Ranch Community. Spacious open floor plan, great room style family room, gourmet kitchen, huge master ensuite, and many large rooms. Secluded backyard with no real neighbors, only 5 years new. Come and take a look with us. 您好，欢迎和我一起参观7630 Jacqueline Street。坐落在群山之中，豪华现代装修的5房3卫，宽敞开放居住空間，超大的主卧套間，後院也私密安靜，小區安靜舒適，學校又好，一齊過嚟睇下。Thank you so much for watching. Time to move into this perfect home, isn't it? Meanwhile, please feel free to contact us for any questions. 謝謝參觀，看房隨時跟我們聯繫。我叫郭文，隨時喺度等緊你㗎。